Peace be with you, and welcome, overly sharpened GoPro. Welcome if this is your first time. This channel is about motorcycle track days, so if you're into that kind of thing, consider using your clutch or throttle hand to subscribe for more content. This video is about what's inside my gear bag for a motorcycle track day. I just got back from Europe, traveling 33 hours, dealing with the time change and a deliciously nasty virus, so I'm a little bit out of it. The traveling to Europe inspired me to want to make this video. Keeping organized helps me, and I hope it helps you. If everything has a home, I know a lot faster when something's missing. I have been using OGIO for 3 years now. I use the rig 9800. And that thing is a tank. Used it predominantly for my motorcycle gear bag, but I have taken it to Colorado for a ski trip and it handled some terrain quite flawlessly. Beefy wheels that glides through any kind of terrain. They're just off-roading wheels. Everything fits in that bag. I have absolutely everything in that bag. I have my boots, I have my suit, I have my gloves, I have my back protector, chest protector, I have my helmet, I have spare visors, I have all my linens, I have all my underlayers that I wear for the weekend inside that bag, my earplugs. It just fits everything and more, and it's compartmentalized really well. It opens up massively so you have a bird's eye view of what's inside your bag. Most of the time I keep all my gear in this bag, unless I'm drying my suit, then it's on the hang dry. Having a system makes you easily accountable for your items. That's it. That's all I've got inside my gear bag. I'll be heading to the racetrack this weekend. I'll be doing Patriot course on Sunday and North course on Monday. I want to share what an incredible experience it was this trip to Europe. I had a work trip in San Sebastian, or Donostia as the locals say it. That weekend was my grandpa's 93rd birthday, who lives in Austria, so talk about God's perfect timing. I got the opportunity to be with my grandpa on his 93rd birthday, which I thought was pretty special. A little challenging when your grandparents live in different parts of the country. You don't get to visit them as easily as you want to, so those moments special. While I was in Austria, I also got the amazing opportunity to ride through the Swiss and Austrian Alps on a motorcycle older than me, a 1984 Honda F2. That thing is a little bit different than my 2009 Yamaha R6. I had such an amazing time riding this motorcycle through some amazing views, seeing bovines doing bovine things and cows doing cow things, seeing the mountain town folks as I was passing through the towns doing their everyday life. It was absolutely surreal, the changes of colors. It was a really beautiful experience I got to have thanks to Wolfgang. And I believe that's so special about humans, is that humans can create these experiences, share these experiences, and so for my part, I just want to share the 15 years of knowledge and experience that I've learned at the racetrack, and that I will continue to learn. So let's journey together and learn together. Check out this video about tips to organize your trailer after you watch this video. Thank you so much for watching as always. I really appreciate everyone's support. If you found any value at all in the video, consider using your clutch or throttle hand to like or subscribe or comment. Any of that really helps out the channel. I wish everyone a lot of peace, ride safe, and have fun.